Today, I'm taking you down that aisle. Every item, every reason. And by the end of this, you will never look at that section of the store the same way again. Item 15, iodized salt, the large containers. The 4-pound blue containers of iodized salt sitting on the bottom shelf are one of the most underrated preps you can buy. Salt does not expire. It will not go bad in your lifetime or your children's lifetime. And in a survival scenario, it serves 3 critical functions simultaneously: food preservation, electrolyte replacement, and basic wound care. A $2 container of iodized salt is also your iodine source, critical for thyroid health in scenarios where dietary variety collapses and you are no longer getting trace minerals from a balanced diet. Buy several. Stack them without guilt. Item 14, apple cider vinegar, large jugs. The gallon jugs of apple cider vinegar at Walmart are typically under $5, and that price-to-utility ratio is almost absurd when you understand what you are actually buying. ACV, especially raw with the mother culture intact, has an indefinite shelf life due to its natural acidity. In a prep context, it functions as a food preservative, a cleaning agent, a digestive aid, and a way to add brightness and acidity to meals when your long-term pantry starts feeling monotonous. The gallon jug takes up almost no space and serves more roles than most items 3 times its price. This is the definition of a high-leverage prep. Item 13, dried pasta, multiple shapes and sizes. Dried pasta is one of the most calorie-dense, shelf-stable, and practically useful foods in existence, and at Walmart you can buy a 1-pound bag for under $1. It lasts 2 to 3 years at minimum, and often significantly longer when stored in sealed containers away from moisture and heat. The variety matters more than most people realize. Different shapes work with different preparations and different fuel situations. Rotini holds thicker sauces. Spaghetti works with simpler oil-based preparations. Angel hair cooks fastest when fuel is rationed and you need to minimize burn time. Stock a range of shapes and you dramatically expand your meal options without spending more than a few dollars. Item 12, white rice, the largest bags available. Most people buy the 2-pound bags. Preppers buy the 20-pound bags. Walmart typically carries 20-pound bags of long-grain white rice for under $15. White rice, when transferred into mylar bags with oxygen absorbers and heat-sealed, will last 25 to 30 years without meaningful degradation. It is the single most calorie-dense, shelf-stable, affordable staple you can store. It is the foundation of serious food storage, not a supplementary item. Buy as much as your space genuinely allows, and then find more space. Item 11, rolled oats, the large canisters. The large 42-ounce canisters of old-fashioned rolled oats are a staple that serious preppers never skip. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, provide sustained and steady energy, and are among the most versatile emergency foods on any shelf. They cook quickly. They require minimal water. They can be eaten cold if necessary, mixed with water and left to soak overnight. And they carry an enormous psychological value that gets underestimated. A warm bowl of oats with honey in a crisis signals normalcy, comfort, and stability in a way that a cold can of soup never will. Transfer to sealed containers for extended long-term storage. Item 10, honey, the large bear containers. Honey is the only food that archaeologists have pulled from ancient tombs and confirmed still edible thousands of years later. It does not expire. Under any reasonable storage conditions, it will outlast every other food on this list. The large plastic honey bears at Walmart run about $8 to $10. Honey is simultaneously a calorie source, a natural antimicrobial, a wound dressing, a sweetener, and a morale booster in one container. It also helps mask the flavor fatigue that sets in when you are eating the same rotation of staples day after day. This is a non-negotiable item. There is no version of a serious prep pantry that does not include honey. Item 9, peanut butter, multiple jars. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter deliver 190 calories, 7 grams of protein, and 16 grams of fat. It requires no refrigeration. It has a shelf life of 1 to 2 years unopened, and significantly longer if vacuum sealed properly. It is calorie dense in a way that genuinely matters during high stress, high-activity survival situations when your body is burning more than usual and you need every calorie to count. The large 40-ounce jars at Walmart represent excellent value. Buy enough for your entire family, multiplied by the number of months you are building toward, and do not treat this as optional. Item 8. Coconut oil, the large containers. Refined coconut oil has a shelf life of 2 years or longer under normal conditions, and unrefined versions carry slightly more natural compounds with a comparable shelf life. In a prep context, coconut oil is a cooking fat, a skin moisturizer, a hair conditioner, and a natural antimicrobial agent thanks to its lauric acid content, the same compound found in breast milk that supports immune function. The large tubs at Walmart are cost-effective and cover more practical bases than almost anything else in the cooking aisle. Choose unrefined when it is available for maximum versatility. Item 7. Dried lentils, multiple bags. Dried lentils are the most underrated protein source in emergency preparedness, and the gap between their value and their reputation is remarkable. They are high in plant protein, extremely high in fiber, and they cook faster than any other dried legume, typically 20 to 30 minutes without any pre-soaking required. At Walmart, a 1-pound bag costs around $1.50. They last 5 years in a standard pantry and 25 years in sealed Mylar bags. For a family building a serious food supply on a real-world budget, lentils are not optional. They are indispensable. Item 6. Baking soda, multiple boxes. Baking soda is one of those preps that hides in plain sight, and most people dramatically underestimate how many rolls it fills. It does not expire. It can leaven breads and basic baked goods when yeast is unavailable. It functions as a powerful cleaning agent. It neutralizes acids and can soothe skin irritation. It serves as a basic dental hygiene tool when toothpaste runs out. And it costs almost nothing per box. Buy a case, store it in a dry location, and consider it permanently handled. Item 5. Bouillon cubes and powder. In a long-term emergency scenario, flavor becomes survival in a way that sounds dramatic until you have actually experienced serious food monotony. Bouillon cubes and powder allow you to turn plain boiled water, lentils, and white rice into something that registers as a real, satisfying meal. The psychological impact of that transformation is enormous, especially for children, who are far less willing than adults to eat flavorless food regardless of hunger. Bouillon also provides sodium in a controlled and deliberate way. Item 4. Distilled white vinegar, gallon jugs. Distilled white vinegar at Walmart costs about $3 per gallon. It has an indefinite shelf life. It functions as a food preservative for pickling vegetables from a garden. It is a powerful household cleaner and disinfectant that works on most surfaces without the chemical concerns of commercial cleaners. It removes odors, functions as a fabric softener replacement, and can decale and clean equipment. In a scenario where supply chains fail and you can no longer access specialty cleaning or preserving products, 1 gallon of white vinegar serves dozens of purposes. Buy multiple and store them without a second thought. Item 3. Multivitamins, large bottles. This item belongs in every prep and almost nobody stocks it intentionally. When diet narrows in a crisis, as it always does without exception, nutritional gaps open fast and the consequences are not subtle. Vitamin C deficiency begins producing symptoms of scurvy within weeks of inadequate intake. B12 deficiency causes neurological deterioration within months. A basic daily multivitamin from Walmart's Equate brand costs less than $10 for a 200-count bottle. That is 6 months of fundamental nutritional insurance for one person for less than the price of a fast food meal. Stock it the way you would stock any critical medical supply, because that is exactly what it is. Item 2. Canned sardines and tuna. The canned fish aisle at Walmart is where serious preppers make multiple stops on every visit. Sardines and tuna pack genuine protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and B vitamins into shelf-stable, ready-to-eat packages that require no cooking, no fuel, and no preparation beyond opening the tin. They last 3 to 5 years. And per calorie, per gram of protein, per dollar spent, they outperform nearly every other animal protein option on the shelf by a significant margin. When they go on sale, buy in cases. This is not a 1 or 2 can situation. Item 1. Water filtration, portable filters and purification tablets. The single most important prep in any scenario is clean water. Food keeps you alive for weeks. Water keeps you alive for days. And Walmart carries portable filtration straws, water purification tablets, and gravity-fed filter systems at prices that make them genuinely accessible to anyone with any budget. A Life straw-style filtration device filters up to 1,000 gallons of water from virtually any freshwater source. Purification tablets last 4 to 5 years, and each tablet treats 1 liter with minimal effort. These items sit in the camping section, usually on a bottom shelf, unassuming and easy to miss. Most shoppers walk past them every single week. You should not. That aisle holds everything you need to build a serious, layered preparedness foundation without spending a fortune or drawing attention. Walk it with intention, not impulse. Understand what each item does and why it earns its place. And the next time you're in Walmart, you will know exactly where to go and exactly what to put in your cart.